School's almost out, time to make your move. This nice Colonial has been opened up for a larger living room with fireplace to enjoy chilly nights, and the dining room is open to the kitchen, which is newer cabinets, stainless, appliances, dishwasher, refrigerator, stove, and granite counters. Laundry room with washer and dryer. Hardwood floors upstairs and 4 good-sized bedrooms. Roof, windows and HVAC have been replaced. A nice fenced-in backyard with firepit to enjoy some s'mores and a cookout. Seller offer a 1-year home warranty 2 to 10. Please ask for feature sheet. Located in established neighborhood and close to schools. Don't delay, call today for private showing.